Hello, everyone. Today's question is 1 minus 3 in brackets 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3. When we remove the brackets from minus 3, we multiply and change the sign. Then it becomes 1 minus 3. It becomes 1 minus 4. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 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 is always plus, and then 3 plus 3 times 3, that's what we get, plus the 9. But this is the wrong answer. First of all, in these kinds of questions, we solve the brackets. After that, we apply the BODMAS rule. In BODMAS, we solve the brackets first. Then division and multiplication, they have the same priority. After that, addition and subtraction. So 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. First, we'll solve the brackets. It becomes 1 minus 4. 3 bracket, quoting multiplication by 4, and this is 1 minus. Now we'll solve it further. 1 minus 4 times 3. This will be a minus sign. 4 minus 4 times 3 is done. 12. Now, 1 and minus, this will be plus 1. Minus 12, so it becomes minus 11. This is the right answer.